scheme nation, the scheme of winners. If you are 18 years plus, ngicela una 18 years and older, it is very important for you to be 18 and older. Join Hollywood Bets now and get a 25 rand bonus plus 50 free spins. The promo code ibhale scheme. So if you want to unlock more bonuses, ngicela ukuthi ulandele the link on the comment section. Ibhale ukuthi SKWM yena loka scheme. So tshela umngane wakho, tshela omunye umngane wakho ukuthi iHollywood Bets i-embrace and i-endorse abo scheme. Thank you, siyabonga. Ladies and gentlemen, grace and peace of that finds you well and in good spirits. Ikamothemba Lukele, abanye bamazi ke lika scheme, bare babuthale babuchabela. Wise comes from the east. Out yase East Rand. Sikhuluma indaba zasehangeni zomtiyatiya ezamagqemane, ezendengane zasedanyane. La bantu babhayisa khona, shaya ikhanda libe bovu. Abaningi bayamangalela language ukuthi chief, kanti kanjani why lokho nifoster lento down our throats? Sithi abantu abafunde, abantu abaphile and intwana ezincane zingayi, stay out of trouble. It is very important. So ngiphethe Mr. Speaker. He's no stranger to learn. Uyabona at least namhlanje ngizothi one mbuzo bese ngiyaphuma la. Mawusahleli ke ku 153. Ukhona ukunderstand ukuthi kumzansi wethu zikhala impela ke mase uyimixa ke uyixuba ne against the wall. So nisazoba happy ke makushayelanga la ngolosine lo mama nazi ukuthi ziyakhala ziyacha okwangempela. Charlie?
Utami kunjani?
Ngiyabonga nje firstly ukuthi ungallow into your own space. Mina ngiyazi ngifaka abantu leya pressure because abantu bafuna abantu babo. So
Yes.
abantu nabantu bahlangene. Mina ngihlanganisa imihlaba.
Sure, bro.
Asibonge nje yami asiyidedele sibachayele edladleni. Uba wakaba ubekwa yini namhlanje kwa against the wall.
Okay, sharp. First of all, thank you for the golden opportunity Putwami and kuwonke umuntu obukele. Igama lami ubongani wakamthembu uMathembisa. AKA Mr. Speaker. But into engiletha ku against the wall Putwami, it's to come and guide, teach, and also make the young ones to adopt, to understand that crime doesn't pay. There's no honor amongst thieves. I mean, I call myself a man with three identity. A young man on the street, a prisoner behind bars for 17 years of his life unproductively, a self-rehabilitated ex-con who is automatically now an entrepreneur, motivational speaker, and a life coach. Putwami, I had a journey in my life, and I believe my journey should be a test that should be turned into a testimony. Ngivelelo into eziningi empilweni ngobugebengu obungangibhatalanga obungitrainile bangilimaza but ngafunda. Puthi ngiqale ukuba sestradini at the age of 13 years. That's when my father left me under the custody ye-step family. Sometimes we become things that we never planned to be empilweni. After the pressure I encountered to the step family, I took a wrong decision. Ngabona ukuthi you know what, I rather go out on the street ngabaleka to think I'm going to fend myself, kanti I'm going to destroy myself. Ngacala ngama-Hisbrag, not even Hisbrag as such, ngacala ngebomb. Lento ekuthiwa ibomb ukuthatha iplug yemoto, ukushaya iwindow and then thola ama-radio, ama-battery. But you graduate in this thing.
Yeah.
Remember, in everything in life you are graduate. Ubumene amanga yonke lento uya graduate. So I graduated. Isiqhelo seyihla ingqondo tata. So when I graduated, remember futhi ngangidlala ubuhero because I grew up with anger.
Yeah.
And ku scheme sami ngiphethe ama-Grootman. Abonayo ukuthi lentwana lena i-velty, lentwana lena ine-power, lentwana lena ayinandaba. I cared less because I had no one. Remember, a street kid. Baba wangishiya 93 since avaya till today. Wangishiya kuma-strangers.
Yeah, bitama likushiya kanjani?
Itime langishiya ne-oledi belihlala nalo automatically ayaba nabantwana abayi-2 naye wathi since avaya ngeSpani.
Yeah.
Ungishiya da. Remember mina ngize lapho nge-timer. And all of a sudden makangishiya lapho I'm being all by myself. Then ngiyahluphekiswa wena praskimi ngiyakhunjuzwa ukuthi asamawule ntatawo mo imo gijima ebusuku othunywayo amatshwala abantwana bakhona ba relaxed ngivuka ekseni ngabo ma4 imo babasela umlilo bona bayacala esigela and I was very brilliant but from esikolweni into ze drama into zani it was my thing. Nasesikolweni I was a prefect abo member khetha mina but I had to run away. Ngifika kanjalo estradini ngifuna ukuba proof and estradini kufana nasedanyana. People must never mislead and lead others astray. Estradini kunamabhoza wakhona, whether you are a street kid, whether umuntu westrata ugijima phansi but kunamabhoza wakhona and ekumele ufike lapho usarende under i-umbrella yokuthi la kuzoshawela isigubha khale sabo and nakulento enicalayo eniyenza emini we come back boma wimpi boma spare mani yothenga ukudla la siyacela mathambo mawasele siyabhakisa and then ebusuku we become criminals because kumele sishaye ibhomo sithatha ama radio senzele then sibona ukuthi hayi le ngibhoza khona manje intwana eseyikhethwe lama hotman to ayona wetsa fela you know makuyoshawa ama hazeladla ama shop aphulwa yimo ofakwayo ngama window amancane kufakwa mina ngaphakathi mangingaphakathi ngizoyenza indlela ukuthi laba bangaphandle bangene. So I graduated at a young age. I remember my first incarceration at Yambo la eKrugersdorp la sengihlala khona, and little did I know ukuthi sengihlala la ngeke ngaboshelwa khona. Ngabona sengidlula ngisengakhala nenyembe sengiboniswa sengidlula manje sengiya drive uthi wathi bamokuka ngithi no but kithi Yambo ngathi no it can't be. Ngibuya la 15 years ngangisethi Yambo 15 years ngase ngibamba isibhamu, you can't believe it. Hijacking all my crimes noma ngaka ku system you know leza ama is brack and what angiziboshelwanga. My first incarceration it was hijacking at the age of 15 years. Then ngayiswa ngiboshelwe Miathoni angilahlela labathi reformatory but I'm still underage kumele ngiyolungiswa.
Iyabosha intwana na 15 and younger.
Yes, bawisa at Yambo. It's a reformatory school. They say it's a reformatory. Bayakufaka bangabiloku bathi bezokuthiwa umthetho ini mabakubambile if icrime yakho ithi mele uyiswe la uyofundiswa khona hlangane nama social worker and what but you learn in a hard way because even naleso state school akusindawo engathi it's a 5-star.
Awuyedladleni
awuye ekhaya just nje nabayenzani
prison.
Exactly putwami bak adjustela nje ukuthi you must never be a hardened criminal. Bazama ukuthi mhlambe bakendlile ngendlela ukuthi mhlambe uzolunga bathola ukuthi what motivated you at this young age ukuthi uze kuwele kulezi zinto zama illegal activity. Then you know mina telling them I'm a street kid and what fine bayenza into zabo putwami ngaphuma I believe after iDyambo ngibuyele court assessment but no sharp. Now mind you me when I come back or I'm going out I don't have anywhere to go. I must also refute to the same place le ngibuya kuyo. Then I had ukuthi ngiyofikela futhi emajiteni
but step situation.
And I remember ngiphume ngomthangala wani ukuthi they will never release you without having anyone ozoba under custody yakhe. So uba namaqhinga manje ukuthi awuthi yakho eyi1 ngaphandle mayikenzele iaddress yakubo so that bakhiphe mawuqeda ukufika lapho itswe. Yabona asesukile Grootman I can tell you ngayenza crime sengiya hijacker sengene manje nekto zama ATM bombing. I graduated kumbula ngihamba ngemoto sengiyinto enkulu manje sekuduma igama lika Boat. Whoever is listening or is going to watch this episode Boat. My nickname as a stratini mina nguBoat.
Boat.
nguBoat. I reason ukuthi ngadubleka and then mangidubleka obvious ngawufaka insimbi and then obvious insimbi yazi maba connector yabona bangifaka insimbi la site bathi Boat. So that's when I started now uduma uBoat.
Bolt and nut.
Bangibiza kanjalo. So scheme I traveled this road. I remember after lapho ngazoboshwa futhi again. Manje bangilahlela eMpumalanga I think i-vendor i-state school eTokomala Youth Center. Ulanga escape khona. So mangifike eTokomala obviously laphana angifuna ukutshela manga asile nalesikhuluma into ukuthi intwana mayibhekele lapha ngaphandle understand. Mawufika lapho uthola intwana ezifuna ukwenza ezinye intwana abafazi. Now remember the anger enginayo mina ukuthi number 1 I'm nobody anginabani anginamndeni and then ngilento engiyo so kimi uyadlala intwana zifunana nezibuni zethu. I'm telling you the truth. Intwana othola ukuthi mawubheka wena la ngaphandle iskimi sesigijinywa uwe mara mawufika lapha ngaphakathi kumele usurrender. Ngakwazi ngapha ngasemuva nginalo inceba noma ngakhumulela ngikwazi estate school eMpumalanga ngikwazela ukuthi angifuni ukusurrender ukuba imedi yenye intwana. You understand because ngaleso sikhathi futhi angusha umthetho so bakungena ngendaba zemithetho ukuthi wena ubana ubhekanga what not yabo. So mina abatshe mina ngibhekile ngilethwe into zami ngoba estradini nami ngibhoza ngendlela yami mfethu baze bangigwaza la bangigwaza to a point ukuthi the time bangigwaza ngathatha enye into ngathi insimbi nyana so escaffold le ngigwazile ngayikapa ukuthi ngine ukuthi ngamani ngife nowami than ukuthi ngizolalwa yenye indoda ngala ngami. I tell you and lesikhathi bengipakile but nginezibunu ngibonakala uyabona nginalento le mangiya eDyambo was 17 to 18 sure ngisase phela i-state school esethu underage sure okay.
No bengifuna ukuchecka nje confirm i-age kuphela.
17
uthola insimbi uyakapa now.
Ngayikapa now senginenkinga senginesigwebo. Nginecala ukuthi ngikape le A1 ekuyini phakathi kwale nomboro. Angathatha umthetho mina. Le sengikapile seyinama soja sengihamba kabuhlungu. And mind you me eTokomala asina mama wardens nabo ankeli.
Yes,
akuna wardini lapha ukuthi kufana nasedanyani
Yeah.
kuzokhala idonki ipile
U-Brown,
enwathi
yeah.
abo ankeli lapha yana bagade nje idiscipline ukuthi ningabaleki ukuthi yonke into ihamba kahle so sengihamba kabuhlungu ngoba sezilolile zonke zifunana nami and nami senginale team yalezi ezingashaya umthetho ezithi bathothi thakabona understand ngikapele abayisaba bonke I had to run away. That's when I said a man with three identities because I escaped escape ayethu Komala ngabaleka ivenda ngahamba bhuti wami ngazithola ngibose King Rose eMpumalanga ngahamba ubusuku nasemini ngene ematawuni ngazi ngiyapi ngaze ngazofika eJozi but enye into manje sengiyenza ukuthi sengiba lo tsotsi lo or lesigebengu my city hadn't remember sengiyafuneka and kune profile yami
yeah
njengoba sengifuneka sengiphila kuphela kuvela imoto nyane ngathi mhlophe nyana ama CID ngiyathasha so manje ngibuyela kuphi ema outing sengisukile sengicalile iyeve kuphi umuntu wasethokoza bhuti umuntu wase Eastrand ngihlale ethokoza Eastrand extension 2
yeah
sengisukile manje lokishini sengigijima ngapha ngabo South ngasemikhukwini ngithola amanye ama auto wami laphana isibhamu sikhona khona omunye wazomunye yasuka manje secala kuma hijacking lawa serious imoto sesiyazi ukuthi masiyithathile yapi sengiyazi and manje sengi front line
yeah
we understand sengigijima phansi naphezulu yimi ayiputhi ngiphilile lempilo ngayiphila sekunokudubuleka phakathi kwazo lezi zinto endleleni zami sengidubulekile nami as a person I can't come here and be a saint sengidubule abanye nami and nami bese nginalento ukuthi you can't arrest me angisabuyeli lapha ya because remember now my first encounter and experience cruel ngedanyani it's a state school and ngabona ukuthi hey makuloku uthi ejele kunje ezintangeni zami zi cruel zi evil kangaka what more mhlambe mase kumele ngiyongena phakathi estupini phela kuvela ukhata amacala athi nami ngiyashintsha ngiyadubula nginama operation nginama bullet lapho I can show you ngomunye umuntu nje ngipanel beater ekile zenzakele lezi zinto so sengibhoza nami eskim sami because angeke ngihlale ngilawulwa ngicontrolwa nami sengifunani ngivule yami manje hood territory seziyaqala ziyashaphuta ama ATM uyabona siyahepsa uyabona sengilana sengirenta ama apartment nyana Slemi and then ngizifunele into zami impilo yami yabo sisi ngapha we celebrate you know because I can tell you when I say there's no honor amongst thieves I can't come here and encourage ukuthi you can build an empire or you can be successful through crime because by that time I didn't have a purpose yenyuku I didn't know ukuthi how to do it and what because I don't have a family so mina mangiloku sengishaya impahla isidwado abantwana imoto shintsha lama BM sengibona ngathi ukuthi vele ngiright ngicelebrate izikhale but my arrest my second arrest manje bese siboshelwe 7 account ikhona uthi yami icede ukuphuma manje isini yami ngizokubonisa ngizokukhumbuza yona ngicabanga ukuthi sasekhona na kuma Google and what ebengi involve kuyo nabo accuse bami si escape ejele size siyongena nase safe nebhamo zasejele LA off is 2003 it was on Thursday it's 2003 uzayigugula uyicheck escape yase LA off la evali la it was our escape but ke ifike kanjani lapha escape ayibhuti basigace man basibambe abelungu mabasibamba mangithi there's no honor amongst thieves nizwana manisase ngaphandle
yeah or mankhaya
mankhaya khona la nithi ni scheme ni family buthi masingena chali ngaphakathi inkinga eyayenza ukuthi sihlukane singena ngamasaka a different because basicala basika 7 account ine murder phakathi ebhlungu yengamla awuthi yami yashaya ingamla ngegani etipini bathatha ibhaki bathi bazolahla itipi yazi itipi kula lahlo khona udoti so umlungu bekahamba nabantu bakhe labethi maka reverse kumele balahle lo doti so amajida avela I was not there omunye nomunye into zakhe kulama 7 account but lo khata waba Slem ufire sekuyi brigadier man ngiyakhuluma naye namhlanje because I still believe ukuthi I role model yami blind ngiyakhuluma naye I have contacts where like kimi uthanda ama motivation wami ufire ithema kaSibopha wayidlala wasise high court asefrenegem besambe high court wathi nginigaca nga7 account omunye nomunye uzozikhipha ngeciniso and mind you miss bangaki uyabona si scheme obviously laphana uscheme una 2 wena ne uHarmon una 1 and then uMr Speaker una 2 but manje uyenzani unifaka nonke kumeda kaHarmon uyakufaka uyabona ku 3 robbery kabantu bani uyakufaka
wathi ngeke ngifele into engayazi
then uthi ukhulume 99 wathi omunye nomunye uzozikhipha ngeqiniso mind you me ngiyalazi iqiniso and I was the bravest ngizokutshela ibesiyeri kimi but ngahlala nama outi phakathi dubulekile ngaphola abanye basala and then sharp kanjalo phakathi edanyani yashuba manje ngena angina nomboro ngisaseyomzwenyana masingena sigcoke kahle silezi obonazo nawe ukuthi hayi ziyaphanda ngaphandle ngene ngaphakathi mangiphakwa bengiphethe ifone ngiphethe imali siyabhalisa ema reception but ngoba phakathi kwethu khona lo iyazi kangcono lento yena unayo inomboro obviously inyuku yabo noma apho lezi zinto lesifundile thina asirasi ngazo siyazazi sidlule da Grootman lo onenomboro makafika phakathi abafu bakhe bathi uyazi ukuthi intshayelo umthetho uthi awufi la impathy fakho wazibopha ukuthi abo choose bakho yabo choose eboxini but lana abo one buthi wami ngafa first thing yokuthi ngihlothoziswe edanyani ngizokubonisa ngifake inomboro ngaze ngayishisa
ezani
masingene eminyango basimele first encounter mangena eseleni basihuthi basipheshise phansi kweyikafula size siyophumela eChina emuva ra eChina from la eminyango kuvalwe ngemidiyadia
necrawler
ithe masisho and into salwela lamaranara ukuthi ningasihlukanisi ngoba uyazi bayenzani bathe ubani bane cell 14 ubani bane cell 1 ubani bani kuphi ene uyazi so manje nale eyethu le eshaya umthetho i26 eyabona mangahlukanisa ama out bayohlothoza wazama into zakhe ukuthi basifake eselene e1 but that place will make you evil if you don't want to change and you still want to live indlela leyo busathana but mina khumbula inhliziyo yami embi isaseyilento ukuthi ngilahlwe itimer angilazi oledi lami ngenzalo nginalento ukuthi why bangizalile why bangilethela ukuzohlupheka mina ngiyenzeni bangilahla bonke so nginalo busathana bami mina vele obungaphakathi so kimi yonke into ithi wafa
mara ngoba siseChina ungakhohlwa ioledi mawutawulazi ngenzalo I think it's important ukuthi itouche a lot of people bakhuliswa ama single parent kwenzakalani ngeoledi mawutshelwa
sharp na history yami futhi itimer lami if singena la ngize ngiyogcina ku step family sogcina la ngabaleka khona indaba yokuthi sengidlule kubo step mother eziboma 4 5 because timer lami belingithatha makacabana nale oledi sesibopha umthwalo wamba nami ebusuku sesiya kwenye imedi siqala siphika lapho loya akangithandi naye uyabona ungithanda itimer malikhona mali ngekho kuyashuba mangimreportela ngathi ngiyabacabanisa sesisukile kulo sesikulo up until sifike lo ogcina so when I wanted to know ukuthi oledi lami ngoba vele you know we all need a sense of belonging kulo mhlaba futhi if you know where you belong then you will know where to go bathi oledi la ngishiya ngina 6 months lilwe netimer la ngidampa netimer that's what I know athi ngizokutshela makahamba ngalithola ioledi ngizokutshela ukuthi kwayenzakalani fair enough sharp China wise sisemnyango siyangena
ngeoledi
basamkela mabasamkela bathi sipheshe from emnyango mind you phakathi eseleni kunjani umbhede ngapha imibhede ngapha uyalazi iphashisi lesele linjani so bathi sithina singene from lapha emnyango sisuke sipheshe kule ikafula ngedayiding kuze siyovela la eChina lezihleli khona abomaqhuzu ayikhenza njani ngibhekwa choose so in mindset yami lo ngizomflopela should size sitole spice kanjani akhona spice wabo bro bakhe mara I didn't understand up until I become one ukuthi bekangena choice uzibophile naye izinto zabo azibophe ngazo inombolo yambopha ayibuthi saphesha safika emuva sharp masifike emuva bengifaka ibracelet ngifaka iwatch sifakile amateki man bathi hayi otherwise wachoose umelapha bayenza isikhumbanyana sabakhuluma and then bavumelane babuye basibuze singabo bani angibatshele mina ngubongani bathi hayi asinabongani thina la ekhaya wena ubani bathi mina ngubongani umthembu bathi hey ayikho lento ubhekephi bathi nongibheke nini angithi lo ngikhuluma nabo because remember I didn't know ukuthi kumele ngiphendule ngithini
bheke eMpumalanga bheke eNtshonalanga
uyayithola so mina ngathi nongibheke nini yakwata le wana athi enhlekweni uyadelela ngithi no awuthami ungibuza ama question ngiphendula relevantly so sharp wachoose athi amfethu mane kukhulunywe la manje nibhekisa ngani nikhanyisa ngani manje one I understand ukuthi sikulalwa kunala kulalwa khona ehlathini la phambili kunendawo yila kulalwa ngeipontshi kuphela azinamashiti bathi kumele silunywe intwala nezimbungulu la yithi abo 11 so kumele usecure indawo engcononyana hayi umbhede leyo ukuthi mabaniyonzela yena indawo kube neshiti nyana ibe ingathi nibhadele kuthiwa hayi so manje nginenhliziyo embi yabo sengicabanga into ezibhayi okay bengizizwa lezi zinto and what not remember you don't always think and ucabanga ukuthi ungavuka one day uboshwe noma wenza icrime umuntu wenza icrime uyazi ukuthi uzoboshwa mara akavuki acabanga ukuthi uzoboshwa you understand so Eyawuthami ikhulume nami ngoba ngibhoza yescheme that moment. I'll tell you the truth, imibhoza. So uyabona kuhlothoziswa mina. And then survivor le ngisabayo ngaphandle yona ihleli kahle China inenombolo. So sekuba equal nakimi nangakuyo. Yabo bathi niphana ngani ithi noma yini enifuna sharp. Mina ngayikhipha ipresident ngayikhipha newash ngabaga sharp. Awuthami bangistuka la. Uyabona into zakhona sezenzakala ngokusheshsha sebatshela le ukuthi ayile uphethe isoja le inekrach because khona izinto bese zenzeka abafuna zenzakale so mina ngiba nenkani uthi angeke ngizenze ngibulaleni yabo so yonke into ba reportela usibalo lokuyabuya kimi mfethu uyazi isigebengu ulova mana uyithathe kahle not nama ayikanje angeke ndoda angichitha igazi ngaphandle ngenza zonke lezi zinto ngigijima ngenza sekumele ngihlothozeka athi hayi wena relax and what not ngithi sharp so mara nginenhliziyo embi ukuthi yazini one mistake la hayi mina ngeke i1 uzoyiluma indlebe or ngizoyiyenzani yabo so nginalezo zinto nyane ezinjalo so bathini bathi no le nale bakhanyisile labantu laba sesibafuna eMpumalanga amasosha lawo yabo ayi sekuyenzela isikhumba lapha ngiyabizwa kuthiwa indoda manje wena phakathi kwe26 nani hayi mina batshela ngezwe bathi 26 eyemali yani so mina I'm all about money I'm all about ukugijima phansi bangishaya nayi bhuti wami akusijoke bangistuka la bayishaya sho bayishaya idayide ngiyakhona hey mathathu kuyishaya labantu laba bona self abazwana
abantu abangazi ukuthi makuthiwa kuyastukwa nani bakustukela phi bakustuka ngani labantu
la eChina umdiyadia eChina bhuti wamshutha abantu abangapha abangekho eChina ababoni ngale kwenzakalayo ngoba ioffice yabona ioffice labo machuzu abo clever bakhona umsomi khona lento umsomi abantu bayayazi
man
lemnyama lefakwa la sho bayishisa and then bayenza ipowder nyana phakathi kwento yevix nyana bayenza and then ifakwa amanzi ngeyitiki inality iyazenzelwa lapha nama drat la amancane la bayenza ibe then ibolisho ngenta istuka uyastukwa la cha igazi liphume. That's how they do it. And mind you me, we don't know what are you contradicting into ithathayo lapho ngoba leyo nality le iboshiwe kanjalo. Istuka abantu abo my 7. Akuna phela lapha kunalezi zinto zabo bayibizani ukusterilize ukuthi izawusenzwani. Nality ihleli da.
Yes.
So basithatha bangibeka bathi kimi wena uyafuneka kanje na kanje saphu nobani sharp. Abanye abayithu bethu abayenzwa. Why? Amachitanyana amahlenyana uyabona labo laba ngathi chama boy nyana sebababekele eceleni yabo bathi no le na le ize kumele zistuke shabangistuke mind you me labantu abazwana bona self lezi zinto abazithathe kithi lezi ziyabacabanisa uachuzi lo onenombolo uyebeka up igila singena ngabo ma 1.2 imali ekuyicash uachuzi sekakhiphe imali engangabo ma 5 clip nalama wash wethu nani ubani sekaphane nangeteki sibekwe la kuthi into zomkhosi sharp how sengistukiwe sasemanzi nyana ku sharp sengiboniswa indawo nyana bathi abowelana bami bangabanye futhi abo my 5 bathi bangifunza intshayelo bangibeke ngi-Stone Yard ngicala phansi njenge-Stone Yard makumele ngizoba imashilona kuzomela ukuthi mangabe inhlavu ikhanye ekseni kumele mhlambe emdokweni la ngishiswe i1 or ngishaya umunye ngesijumbani and then ngizosuka ngibe imashilona ne-sharp hayi mina ngisitsheleni yonke into right uyabo yonke into right so right itshele livaliwe sharp ngisengistukiwe sengi26 sengiyatshelwa lapha endoda wena ubani hey man ukuyabona ngicala phansi manje ngiclever yabo sengitshelwa umunye la ukuthi wena ubani zihamba kanje na kanje every day
le language uthi uyimamele bakhuluma isiChina into ongayizwa
bathi stadiana
uzwe nje le wash ndoda what
Grotman sharp balobuka sifunza lentshayelo ayitshele maloko livula livalwa siyabuzwa ukuthi sigrandi kumele ube yisotsha ekseni lale thuthu ngaphandle kumele ngivale lana ukuthi ngistukile and what not sharp labantu bacabana babodwa ngizokutshela ukuthi ngistuke nge-second day and then mhlambe istuka sami si remain for boma 5 to 6 days I won't lie this is impilo yami futhi ngelanga le6 sesiyabizwa manje bathi kopkop makhanda ikopkop makhanda sekuhleli manje amadoda uya laba manje abanomthetho bonke abowelana bamu amamashilona inumber 1 we know abo mountain yini zonke lama title nyana wabo lawa yagcoya amabhilite uyabo abo sergeant wesibili yonke kuno major rawo yazi kune secretary kunani ayikho nje
kune fraud
into khona sho how mina uzosebathini but no istuka lesesiphiwe mina nalo out asiphiwanga ngomthetho wase26 hayi bafethu no thina singena phi ngoba thina siphane ngazonke imfanelo ebabazifuna hayi basitshele bathi hayi manje phela makusokuzomela ukuthi inombolo nithathe kahle nithathe nangeqiniso nina nishawe ngebhekela nishawe ngenombolo yesu homeboy ibhekela
Yo.
enklavini okempumalanga kungenwa kanje
Ayinqala ukuyizwa ke.
bangaka abantu laba
banikokotile kahle kahle. Yeah.
uyabona abayingaka abantu abakhona esibathola la eseleni ebese bese babonakele nangemisebenzi yabo ukuthi ba right enough
Amasotsha.
ukuthi bangathathwa
Yeah.
thina sesiyafika ngobukhasikhasinyana ngezinto lana ngeimfanelo sesiyastuka so mayiso ayiyabopha iyobabopha naphambili angazi naphambili kuphi mina iyobabopha nasesibangeni iyobabopha everywhere so ngithi ayazini mina into eningenze yona okokuqala ngiyifunanga ngiyivumile
Yeah.
into eningenze yona angiyifunanga mina ngiyivumile
Yeah.
so manje ngitshela ukuthi thina singene kanjani sangangeni kanjani bafethu thina singene ngomnyango safa kweseleni and what not nayenza lento eniyenza kahle kahle nifunani
Ehle
But
kungene
no.
kupolitiki manje.
Yeah, ngithi but no, yazini mfethu, asiyenzeni ibe simple. Mina ngicela lento niyikhiphe. Serious. But no vele sibize kanje la ukuthi kumele iphume esigcwale ukuthi ngamasotsha and then izongena ngendlela right. You can't believe I'm telling you the truth. Kwashiswa iplastic da, yashiswa iplastic. Bashisa ispoon, bashisa iplastic, barothisela kule spoon lesi. Le spoon lesi basibeka la. Basibeka ngavele ngenza so ngacimela inyembe zaphuma. Ngavele ngacimela ngenza so kule isikhumba sekele ngaka siphakathi mina nale esitukile nale enza umlilo. Ngavele ngacimela but ngabagayisana. That's a pain engibuya kuyo. Bayenza bashisa la inyama yashwabana bashisa mabaceda bathatha iColgate bayichubisa la iColgate. Hayi bra wami. Ngazitshela nje ukuthi yabona kusuka la angisabhayiseki futhi. Kusuka la angisabhayiseki ene sikazi. But wami hambile isikhathi sahamba. Ay man ngalijwayela bathi no siyagavia 26 ngathi ngiyayithatha. Sure after again I'm telling you after a week bayenze lento le bathi siyagaya 26 uzoyithatha. Ngathi ngizoyithatha. Nayi bayistuka bayibuyisela bayifaka la.
Ay.
Uyangithola bhuti. Ayifaka la manje sebabophe inhliziyo yami. Sebangenza isilwane. Ngayithatha bathi uyisoja wena sengawa nombhede kuyehliswa omunye la bathi kuye wena hayi 1 2 3 awuthi sibala thatha umbhede sharp. Hayi kuva isikhathi umacala ngisamzwisisa. Angisekho sharp, yabo? Ngoba sengibonani umacala nalabo abanye abayi2 masiloko sithi labo cheri bethu abasele ngaphandle baloku basivisita ngezinto esibashiye ngazo balokubeza sibuya nevisit strong kuyabonakala ukuthi singamasotsha but kuyaphela konke lokho kuyaphela remember le empire lesibuild lenyana yeyimoto nalamahontshe esiwashile udrainwa amaloya udrainwa isaka udrainwa ivisit awunamndeni labo medi bayakhathala bahamba makuphela yonke into nabo bayaphela ivisit mayiloku ingena usibale sesiyabona ukuthi ayi usibale uyasithengisa injalo ijele injalo ningabangani ngaphandle ejele najikelana sharp ngibona ukuthi angishintshisele manje sengiyisoja sengiyisoja shosho ngibatshela mina ngizoshintshisela bakhale hayi kanje nakanje kumele uphume la uphume ngenhlavu serious first encounter yami ejele ekseni ukusukela iBig 5 elayinini ngilithela ngomdoko obilayo yasha la alithela nje ethi maqeda ukungenzela lana ngisusa nje ivuva and was mawuyenza lento leyo kumele usitele abowela bakho la ngasemuva ukuthi backup uthi nazi ukuthi ngiyoyisusa serious thela iBig 5 ngomdoko uwazi kanjalo manje sowubonda iplaza lo muntu ushile phezulu ukuthi lo muntu ushile manje sekuyini sekuyiBig 5 versus 26 nami ukushintsha kwamiseli seyibovu manje abomathuba phela amathuba ziyamura leza ngizokutshela bona kancane uthola amathuba wondile ziyajima leza ayitsotsi ziyashanga eincindi phela abomathuba okwaba kusiviolent ukupimpa ukudla nokugada indawo nokuba abantwana abaningi ngoba bayiyenza nabo leyo nto leyo sure so sekunabo ene manje ukukhumbule ngibheke ukuthi eplazini sengibheke into eziningi ngibheke ukuthi ngingagwazwa okay nazo sinawo amasoja wazo ekumele kuliwe makumele kuliwe sidefend ikambo mara ziyamura zakuthole khona enzakukhama zokuphula shana esijumbani sakho zikuthathele sona zikutele op zikulathele kubohata
yes I still remember one friend of mine uTsepo bekathi makase mangaung ama Big 5 bebane inkulumo yabo ukuthi mabaganda umama wakho uzoza ngamakhabethe achayisana kini ukuthi bayaganda bakushaya inhloko ibe flat
zokushaya leza ibhare zikwisapha ngaphandle eBeit Hospital khumbula ijele inaccess yokuthi kise eBeit Hospital leza zakubamba kahle zakuthola ekhoneni lazo zikuphula amathambo zikuphula umzimba yabo intshele ebele ganda yo bawo ziyaganda zikushaya ube mark uphume la ngestretcher
from Germany
yazokutshela ukuthi la Tebogan zikwisa phezulu zivule uyoshayana la phansi mawuqeda ukushayana zibela phezulu kwakho zithi futhi la Tebogan leza zoganda futhi ukutshela ivana nesha ihambe lento yamacala ngapho izwini ejele sengiphoyizini wachoose hey lezi zinto zebhaya ngishintshilisele sengiphumile ngizenzela umcondo wami sebayangisaba ngendlela yami bheka ke noma kuphi uziyenzela igama ngokuthi uyenze something violent uyenza ukuthi nawe ube necrew yakho ngokuthi kumele ube dangerous so ziyazi ukuthi iyashanga esijumbana izogwaza iyokuthela ngomdoko le ayibuyele emuva abo baba bayazongishaya mina idonkey pile ungishaya ngithulile angiconfess ngishaya uzukhathale ube right angithi mina ngivele ngistabona ngokukhula kwami so bona aba understand ukuthi yini le badila nesilwani la uyangithola sharp sesiyajikelana mina ngitshela uGhada eze lapha reception azositshela ngama additional charges bekaloka investigator neAPK sivukile neAPK sivukile from 7 account we went to 21 account. That's me. You can check my profile. It is there. Ilenesia South crew. Besi lezi ezidume kakhulu. Naselenesia South. I'm sorry to say this. Ibethi mabezu igama lika Boat. Bengitshela ukuthi beba ukuboshwa kuka Boat iSouth iya celebrate ne police station.
Amandiya. Hey, alisaba kabi legama elinya lifuneki.
Amandiya sure. But bese bamazi uBoat. So mina uGhata Makeza azoyenza ama additional charges. Mina ngamtshela ngathi ke cooperate into simple mo ke tseba saketsaka ke tseba ntwetse ke dientseng man le mang o tseba sakae o ntsamaisa high court aka bolaya nna ene le ya high court ivele emaphepheni phela le case ine media phakathi le yale ngamla le edubuleke kabuhlungu etipini ene kudubuleke ingamla ethethi enesikhundla evelele umuntu onama business so sesingene da every time masiya kumele ku report ukuthi bayile iescort yethu imoto eziboma 19 zingaki uyabo seka bayufaka amacala ngathi mamela ke mina ngibi state witness ngitshela iqiniso kunamasako obona ukuthi yabona khona izinto wena Grootman esifuna ukuba stubborn ngazo khona into ethi mayikubopha uyayibona ukuthi kumele uyivume
straight
akufuneki uloku uzothi wena elicala libula lidumela icala lidumela uyayi ngoba lokulahla usadumela lokulahla asilahla ingaka amacala siloku sithi alivunywa icala alivunywa but masikuya kuma cross examination icala selikhuluma liyakuthatha kunama DNA kunama ini ama fingerprint kunani icala liyakubulala mina ngabatshela ngathi madoda ayishintsheni ayipheleni asingabantwana bomuntu singamajita omunye nomunye makamela into yakhe ngathi mina emajiteni ngicela siyenzeni agreement omunye makamkhiphe omunye if omunye angamkhiphi omunye uzokhuluma ukuthi elinye likabani but hayi kwavuma 1-2 but hayi bhuti ajwale muna waklama wethana ngathi omunye akavuma icala khipha omunye ongalivuma icala mina ngizomvumela ene serious yaqala bakuloku va itrial sengiyaqala manje sengijwayela indawo uMadam ngaphandle sekakhona ukuthi angifakela amaklama sengiyabhayisa edanyani sengibhayisa imboza amaslope sengibhayisa igada sengizitholele ubaba lezi zinto ziningi manipulation ibhale ngaphakathi bhuti shapu sengiyaphila phakathi bhuti ubusoja bambungulwele sengiyaphila shapu kwangena angazi mina ipoison ingene kanjani khona eyi1 ya choose yami young poisona okay ngathola ngasemuva ngithola ngabo sebacabana ukuthi ipoison ingenile kulesa sikhathi etrial ukudla kusangena izinto zingena so anything is possible chief that is why you find ukuthi kunama cell phone namhlanje yonke into nobody must say nothing is impossible there's nothing impossible le anything is possible as long kusebenza abantu yonke into ifunayo mawune power financial power uyayithola gcine ngimokola la sengiphatha iplaza eyabo baba sengiyenza nama loan nge15 yimi imali zami ziyabuya sengikhahlelisa abo baba sengiba into enkulu so that's when I believed when I put scheme ukuthi I was appointed and anointed to disappoint the devil but my challenges of life had to mold me through all this ngidlule kulezi zinto lezi sharp ukungena ipoison nga admitwe esibuke hospital from Penekante ejele bengigapha igazi yacala kancane ngizwa mana hayi ngiyatatazela ngiyashisa ukudla kungeni ngifuna ukuhlanza mangihlanza kuphuma igazi ngacabanga ukuthi no maybe it's a joke yabona amazinyana kuphuma amagamsana okuphuma igazi vele sikasithe mangigapha igwebo eliphumayo igazi bangise eBhene hospital lengaphakathi labo sister bangicheke bathi kihlathe ithe mangigapha igazi but ngiyakhawatheka ngiyazizwa manje ngiyakhawatheka bangithathe eBhete hospital ngeambulance nga-admitwe esibuke hospital mhlambe ngahlala 2 to 3 months ngaphandle ba drain ipoison sharp ngilong undercut mabaye off mina ipostpone ngisehosi basho choose bani usesibhedlela sharp kuvaye mina ngibize ngithi no ngicela ukuphakamisa isandla mina ecourt bathi uthini nti confession bathi babamangala amajita bathuka bonke bahlahla amehlo ngathi confession bathi kanjani athi mina icase yami what and what ngicela labantu bamela indaba zabo or else I'll speak what I know kwathula ikhodi yami abo phela besiphiwa ama legal aid lapha ukhumbule ilawyer nelawyer yabheka omunye enye ibheka omunye amaye bazibamba amakhanda bathi and then because sesiphane ngama virgin a different and wonke ama virgin wethu remember to a lawyer you lie a defend lamanga and uzokuyenzela nawo ukuthi abe mnandi akutshele le ungayikhulumi kanje zama ukuyibeka kanje. So mina ngathi mina ngicela i-confession magistrate wathi Kota John wajuluka le bathi Kruger umbheki uKruger wasefrenacheng odumile bamazi kahle wathi uthini ngathi I confess mina I know angiyazi mina ngizeleni la 21 account angidlali mina kanjani ngazi mina ngiyenzeni ubani nobani mabamela into zabo uyazi ke lajika igama lonke from ukuba ilo muntu ofamous osachiwayo unzani sengiyintswela uyimpimpi. That's why I say there's no honor amongst thieves. Le ntwana masingacabanga ukuthi makusasemnandi manje kuyohlezi kunjalo. There's no honor amongst thieves. Ukuthi edanyani wonke umuntu manje uyacaca ukuthi hayi lo umbhele lo ushabangu lo umthembu anibuyi ndawonye futhi nihlanganiswele bathi la nihlangene ngamanyala nizohlukaniswa amanyala yayenzakala la
ayashumayela lengwenye
yayenzakala lapho
hlangene kwa DStv
yayenzakala la neshap bangenzela interview bathi ayazini ubhuti lo sizomcela ukuthi ikhata lem-attende mara siyamchintsha yena manje siyamchintsha asisamfuni kule court simfuna attend court yakhe ayi-1 number 2 wathi hayi nami ngicela ukukhuluma iqiniso si-7 mind you me apotwa kucela ukukhuluma iqiniso wathi hayi nami ngicela ukumela wami hayi bathi nonke sanipostpone sothumela iphoyisa le lwenza omunye umsebenzi namaloya wenu hayi nizobuya futhi ngedate ethile abasangishintshi manje ngoba sekuphakama nalo abasipostpone 7 days following days bizwe reception khona ukhata uze nabanye bazomsiza sekuyi-paperwork
yachangewa
hayi confession mina ngakhuluma ivari nginama-hijack ayi-2 nginani ngabatshela mina ngazeni nani so ezinye zezaba lenient kimi ngenxa yani ngokuthi ama-complainant abanye angasatholakala phela Grootman ngibuya ku-live ya-convert i-life yami yayenza iminyaka. That's where I come from ngempilo yami. Thola ezinye ikupu nekata ukupukupu ya dilimo kathola ukupukupu ya dilimo ekani mina ngavuma bangithatha separate sabuya basihlukanisa and serious court yamtshela lo muntu athi mnika amacala wakhe aphume kulamanye should simfune kuzoba i-state witness kulezi ezinye we don't think it's necessary that much but sizokutshela because uyakhuluma uthi ubani nobani uzomela into zakhe ngoba bathi hayi benginifuna la laba basicabanisa la muntu lana that's why kuyi-top cop la muntu kwakuyi-sergeant uyi-brigadier manje ufire Masilele sure hayi but ishube bathi life banka life plus 13 singene edanyani sharp sesihlukene mina labantu basala ngigcoke before mina bowachoose because ngenza into zami zibe lula bathi life plus 13 sharp after all ngenza amaphili man ngenza amaphili ngibhale lapha phakathi ngibhale Grootman nginale nhlakanipho engayazi ibuya pha ngiyangesigela mina bengihlala ngicela ama-daily sun kubohata ngicela amaphepha dictionary wise uyazi library khona wonke ama-resource akhona aya ngomuntu yena uthi ufunani ngagcina ngizenzela amaphili ngincedwa nangabanye abantu la eSharp yabuya phili mayibuya phili bayiconverta bathi 37 iron so kule 37 ngihlela 79 because since singena 2000 ngiphume 2017 nge-24 zika May ngiphume 2017 from 2000 but kayipheleli da phakathi edanyani sengiyinto enkulu bhuti sengikhulele ejele ukhumbula yezo ukuthi ngihlela iminyaka engakanani ngiva yonke bhuti ilo cop la eBhubezini ngibuya khona 2013 sishisa ijele uyigugule nayo khona I was the main instigator sengidinekile ijele sengingqokole nama-east lelo langa futhi sasiliplanile sasesidinele i-treatment esithola phakathi la maximum la eStoffberg eGroenpunt 13 January it was Monday uyibheke yithi laba sashisa ejele sathathwa sayiswe eKokstad eCimex ngibuye eKokstad bhuti wami le eBhongweni le correctional service eBhongweni la kushawe overall e-red 2013 cutting the long story short ngikhulele ejele impilo yami ihambe kanjalo Grootman Sharp sengidinekile ijele sengihambe wonke lamajele lawa yabona sengiyinto enkulu ngifake nenomboro sengithole namagwinya nami sengi-influence abantwana babantu obvious ile poison
boshaya ikhanda mawuda
kodwa wami ngishaye isijumbani nami nginaso isijumbani la ekhanda ngishayiwe khona inceba ungabheka la yakhona futhi awazifihlanga ngishayile isijumbani ngikwazekile nangaphakathi ngathi bonisa amanceba wami ogwazeka nangaphakathi ngikwazekile obvious sengicorrupt ngiphethe ijele ngapha nabo baba khona abangasakhona ukungikhuza ngoba badle esandleni sami amafoni wathatha i-EST ngena manje ifoni iyathathwa mayithathwa manje nje ngipress ibheli kungena isikhaftini samafoni ngiwathengisa ngaphakathi totito lesibiza idotito beyithengwa ngabo ma 60 something bobo ma 100 mina bekuyi 1000 baba makangifakela isikhaftini sa Y10 ngiyazi ngina 10k yena unento yakhe lapho uyongithengela amanye vie bese ngishintshile Grootman sengishaya amateki atop edanyani ngiphatha imali but mind you me there's only one person oloka ngigijimela waze wakhathala lwemali angisayiphi umuntu ayisenamnikazi wayo iseyiningi lento ngike ngaflash igila Grootman ngike ngaflash igila by mistake ngakhipha igila le 1000 lahamba namanzi ayithi le mali uyayiapa iningi so apisa le into anohlala nazo imali ibhaya unamafoni awusaphaki uyilezi ezilalayo ngoba wena unama take away akuzelayo uyabona hey man abo baba bangilwisile bhuti ngithu mabayilalele bayazi ubhuti basogolisile bengubhuti lay off Groenpan bangithatha bangilahlele emozolo eKroonstad eFree State neshap kuhambe 2013 sichisijele kanjalo basithathe basilahlele la eBhubezini ekseni ngabo 4 basithathe futhi basibuyisele eKokstad sihlele eKokstad 2013 bayenza lento esithi Commission of Inquiry iCommissioner lapho angaza ngisakhumbula kwakubani wathi makube neCommission of Inquiry why iboshwa zikapi amaphoyisa and yonke le kwaba inyakanyaka uyibheke phela lapha besibakapa sijele lisha abokhata bagijima phezulu helicopter wena amafoni sesiwaphethe live basibhekile sekangibona musa sesiyenza ama video NCA ida in zonke indaba eTV besithi mayiloku yenzakala iTV yadlala same time baze babiza mosi zonke lama TRT yonke lento le hey basibhukuza bhuti bayikhola into order sharp basithathe njengalondlela basila okay CMEX Commission of Inquiry bathi boat number 1 instigator hey nabo khata bajabulile ngishiyene ikoloto zami eziningi nalabo engibakolotayo sebangijikelo kuyena nansa exactly kuyena nansa Kenya influence and what not neshap akuna stress Commission of Inquiry ichithe bathola ama loopholes abhaya ukuthi ifault ingakubokhata and that day ngizokutshela ivari namhlanje ngithenge boma 15 yama east angithi siyadidiyela la besigcwalisela ama 25 liter dayidem besitakwe blind that day sisusa phela futhi influence sitakwe imbamba blind
sport
angithi kuyabhayiswa vele ngaphakathi 2 liter phela ichoko bukhona sitakwe hayi besenzela into eningi sharp ngiphume eKokstad basibuyisele eGroenpan eGroenpan ngiye P3 na ikhona mawungayifuna eP3 sharp ungi-celebrity lezane ezinkolodayo bezithukile and what not nazi manje imali yami ibuye so sengiyibhube ezilaphakathi sengila eP3 eGroenpan ngiyaqala ngiyathengisa ngithandane neprison ward khona enye imedi bathi case yami khona na igcwele thina silezi bhuti eziloko zidumile maka isidumo ngoba besidizi asisambisile vele ngathandana naye yabonakala ejele angisavuki sekangizela ikhaftini uhlala phakathi eplazini ama 5 liter uyongifakela wona ngiyashaya strong ngitshela ivari into ekhona yenzakele ngobhoat sengithola ngiphatha inyungu phela beka benefit abhuti wami because le cherry one day or two beka khona ukuthi a day namhlanje yakhona ukuthi achayise na 16 or 17 ujampila ngeli1 ayifake le bese yenza kuphela enene wazi ukuthi into yakhe imnandi ngoba uhlala la eKotas uyazi yilezi ezivula ijele ekseni angithi abantu mele understand ejele kunama ama riding ayi2 khona laba bangena ekseni abasivusayo basibale basiphakise khona laba abahlala bomalokishini ababuya kude abazongena ngo8 and amajuta ayashintsha laba bangene ngo6 ngo2 bayachayisa laba bangene ngo8 bavala ijele
that's right
uyangifoster so bekangena nalezi zamangamla lezi ezithanda ezivula ijele ekseni uyafaka ingudla yena ngoba yoyifro mama bazovula ijele yena uhlele officeini uyenza lento ukuthi states angithi bahlala mabayenza counting mababala so mabuye ekitchen mina ngiphuma iplaza liba empty bashiya yena and then bakhiya iminyango yalaba abangaphumanga bayophaka but iflop uneyikhiya ngaphakathi esafeini so mina no communicator ngefone makangenile lamangami lamakuyiwele phela eGroenpan Plaza ikitchen la khona nina amasel mawala ikitchen lida so mabaphume bonke balle iplaza lithula lithi tu mina ngiseseleni then iba ready kihlobula uyavula ngiye officeini
bazongishaya ngiyabashaya phela manje la badlali kanjalo Themba mfethu le ndaba igijima kangaka le gama I'm worried about the identity igama elaphuma yangena ephepheni yagcwala kuyaziwa indaba
ka mina into engiyaziyo ukuthi nje lavela lagcwala ulithola ukuthi in prison
Yeah.
there was a inmate so
Yeah.
leyo if ever it's got a problem but yaziwa
Yeah.
because ngaze ngayiswa kwelinye ijele futhi for that waze
Yes,
wagijima
yes.
na icase wahlala phansi
Esana. Oh manje ukuphi yana?
uhleli phansi
Esana. Oh akasaspan. Yeah.
akasekho ukuthi siyeze
Yeah.
and mind you hayi ngecase yami futhi
Yeah.
le yami leyana wavuma khona bamshange suspended bathatha
Yeah.
imali wabuyela wathatha omunye futhi waxoshwa ngomunye nalo sister manje
Yeah.
sengimthathile phakathi
Yeah.
so sister obviously imali esimokolo ibhaya
Yeah.
ulovo ngimshange bengimenzela iflop because mina bengibona ukuthi the only power I have
Yeah.
it's money and this money that I have it's got no use to me my only use is to corrupta west ngayo sengiphethe financial power manje ngicontrola nge-remote kwabona laba abasipane ejardini abangena ngo-8
Yeah.
base bayayicava lento ka-sisters mara abakhona ukuyi-question further the only thing they can do bayoyikhuluma la kuma-corridors yabona ukuthi
Yeah.
yeyintwana eni abakhona omunye ungizela indaba uthe muna mamela daba le sisters hey muna kuyona ebu-EST yawubatla bese ngikhona ukuthola ne-information ukuthi utsibe EST yawukena fandala
Yeah.
yabo ngiyapokotela ma uceda ukhuluma into yakho mna ngikhuluma ma uceda ukhuluma bamana 3 clip ambodla etashapshap mara usikabuka uzwetswekeni na what yabo nini uyabuya yena leyo futhi mina kinalimathathanyana ayithe ngayo ngibona ngikawuthepa
Bam.
bonke like I'm telling you the only manipulation that prisoners have access to ama wardens wethu it's financial power nothing else because the moment they become under control it's when they have exposed themselves to be vulnerable desperation leads to vulnerability you don't have a choice lapho once wayithatha
Corruption.
akusabuyele emuva
Yeah. But
Ngoba-
sister was a pure love. She was madly in love because of resources now ngengqondo bomfactor pay.
Now remember on that one mina from my side
Yeah.
bengidakwe ijele mina bengibona ulove remember ulove elenzakala ejele lamajita to majita
Yeah.
so imedi mase ngifatela koptu ngipha nezibunu and then bese ngicabanga kuyilove angithi mina ilove ngifunde kanjani and ukhumbule ilove it's into ekuthiwa ilove but wami city yakhona isuka from ukuyincela ebeleni kumama so lezi zinto mina ngizazi as long imedi mina ingale attention ukuthi ngikhipha imali what not my ingale attention ngibonisa ukuthi yangithanda sincabuzane ngiphihlama ilove for mina ngithi lezi zinto sizibona manje ukuthi kade what is the meaning of love and what is true love by then bengibona ukuthi yangithanda mara after yonke into bengibona ukuthi lo muntu wayethanda inyuko because bengimshawara ngenyuko lo muntu imali yakhe bese ngasamsebenzile according to me because a day mangimgayi namhlanje elakusasa lingandlula ukudlula 2 mangimgayi 6000 today kudlulela kusasa ukudlula elinye mhlawumbe uhamba nga11 imali khona ngaphakathi Grootman I think maybe that you know imali khona remember yangena iphuma imali yangena do ivisit le noma uthi ungishiyela igrocery or uzwenzani khona abantu abaphana ngayo khona nabo baba phakathi kwevisit abaphatha nje ama taxi wemali ukuthi wena uzile and then uzongishiyela isigodo uyazi uzongikhipha kahle nje ngibuyisele kahle eseleni wena uyohlangana nawe ayibonisa ukuthi futhi kunento yenzakalayo le wena ngaphandle uyagaya and then umgaye yakhe and then isigodo sami sizoza makazobala after visit ivisit phela ivalwa ngesikhathi esithize bayosuka bonke visit bayosiza ukubala ejele ngaphakathi then into zami ziyeza so sisters ngemshaye EST ingene EST ngabo 3 ntathakusa and ngitsheliwe ngoba sengistabone yabona sometimes bese ngisnide angizitshela ukuthi power yami yenyuko bengiyiyo that it doesn't change ngale gama lelo sharp hey man 3 ntathakusa ngisasela so leza mazingena iEST ifana neTRT yala ngaphandle ithe mazingena zithi zonke ngaphandle zonke and zivula kanje zihlala zistelile mazivula leza sezingena immediate leli xuru ngicuma ngilahla ama headset nefone ngikhohlwe ukuvala ifone and mind you me iflopo usisters kunama video la sikhuluma khona kunala ngibe excited khona nini kuyiwe kitchen ngimshaya ivideo bagcoke iprivate ngalama function wabo bazosipakisa early and then basivalela early banalama function wabo wangaphakathi ushaya ama jean lapho uyangihlanyisa umuntu wami ayidlava bese ngilive itavi mina so ngiyahlanya and akasana no because sijampe ngasemuva ukuthi lo muntu ngimenza ivideo sihlele office C2 aloku ngiloku ngithi baby mara wathi ba hey ingwacha watima okay remember now it's my voice akuna face yami but yena uyavela but iflop ukuthi utholakala kanjani efonini yesiboshwe and lapho obviously uyabona siyakhuluma nangama number amasele mara wena baby that day ingwacha watima ngitse ngirifela ngishapele 360 impose uyayenza angene ngo3 ntathakusa bathola bazele iphone A1 bazele umuntu
wena.
oyi-1
Yo.
but baphuma namafoni abo mayi-13 14 but abayifunayo bayazi negama
The main, yeah.
kunempimpi
Yo,
futhi
yo, yo,
umona futhi ithi ngithi umona yazi-ke igebengu umona phone yami yaziwa umuntu ohlezi aphambi kwami right hand man yami ebala inyuku igada amazifika yonke into siyenza naye seka-captureiwe yabo kusho ukuthi that day beka une-phone yakhe kusho ukuthi beka communicator nabo abatshela ukuthi u-online manje ubusy yabo and kunomunye phakathi kwabo la oseka namanamba wami naye uyabona because angitshela ithi ena zingishayanga because bezofuna mina zingena ifoni ngayilahla zade washelela amafoni kwaba isiphithiphithi ikefula midiyada ngaphuma chafcop so mina nginenkani mina bezingasakhona ukungishaya ngoba bese ngizirifela naku act 111 of 1998 bese ngigele like bese ngifucked up itshela sengazi yonke into i-disciplinary infringement mina angeke ungicharge kuphela angeke ungichike angeke ungithuke senginobutshele ngikhulela khona uyangifasana so angeke usangitshela next so bangivele bangitshela bathi ngi-instigator yonke into enzakala uma kuyi-hunger strike singafuni wenzani bathi vote ngoba bese ngikulento le i-PMC Business Management Committee and obvious ngikwazi ukuringisa ingami la ngikwazi ukusibhala ngazi ama-riding wakhona ngwakhota so hayi kwaba njalo zathola ifoni mazithola ifoni zakhipha i-memory card zathola lama-video you can't believe that same night bababuyisela bonke laba bathola amafoni kubo nani bavala itshele mina bathi ngithatha isponge sami ngithathe nento zami bangise ekhulukuthu bayongilalisa ekhulukuthu ekseni sharp hey hayi yazi-ke kunama-investigator ekseni bathi phone yahawu re thotse sister so yona re thotse le di-chat tsa hawu le yena but rofa it's either the hard way kapa the easy way so nginenkani ngathi yetsa ntho eliyetsa manje flop lami angeke ngibhayise usister ungenzela into ezibhayi ngithi hayi into engulengwe linanani lethothi kuyona ehlameni lisebeleze udima yona bare neshapo manganga sekukusasa balethe investigator khona ngithi akuna statement esawo bangithathe bangilahlele remember sengibuye kokstart ngokushisa ijele baye sengiyaspina sengiboshwa ngosister ngiyathatha ngilahlelwe eKroonstad eMozolo eKroonstad eFree State nalapho bafika batshela i-head of prison bathi umshebe umanipulative too much umkade member tsahawo iparate yakhona ekseni ikhulumeka ngami ke unale boat wafihlileng member tsaka libe careful 1 2 3 but let me tell you with God's grace or should I say the devil's grace I don't know but I tell you ngajola futhi eKroonstad and manje uyibheke seyenzani sengibahlula ngento eyi1 sengigijimele kuphumene ejele phela ukhumbule sengi A group I mean sebase i group sebayithathile ngale kaMapula ngithi bathola ifoni infringement so sebangidemoter bangishangani ngeB bangitransporta ne B yami and eKroonstad obvious umuntu ozofuna ukuza kimi angisafuni ukuze umuntu ngoba angeke ngibonwe live kumele ngibonwe ewindweni ngiB ngifike lapha ngimanipulation namateka amahle buthi nginegila nemali yami ngihambe nayo from a reception i-corruption nje kuphela mangifike eKroonstad iflop elingijolisa eKroonstad ile fame engiza nayo ethandwa abo sister ki-ola nakatana le mama Groenpent enekhumbula usister eGroenpent i-celebrity ilabo sister abala abangajwayeleki abangafuna ukujwayelwa kabi abangasheleki mara ukhona ukushawa yile ntwana exactly so leya dignity seyihamba lamajele wonke uthi scheme phela kuyena utwanani lemamanga so lapha uyabona noma ubhekwa noma uselayinini noma kukhulunywa nawe ngilandwa special kuzohlalwa nami emuna ukhonejwa ihead uMr Mlike ihead yakhona oyingibuza emuna ukhonejwa ngifihlela nto no ngicocela ngiyabona hayi lo uyangitolerator lo ufuna ukutshela uza kwabo le phela uhead yabo ufuna ukwazi ukuthi ukhonejwa ngithi hayi no man chief manje sengilusi mina ngithi ngiclose wetsa wathwana ntolto yetsa nana ntolto bazithumele iGroenpent seyisebenzisana neKroonstad sekuyezwakala ukuthi vie engizwana naye manje omunye owasehosi bangilo ngiyehosi from Kokstad engayifaka ngingadistepeka kancane so bese ngiphuza amalala roja yabona so bese ngipatient
bazisa nama antidepressant
exactly sure so bese ngiphaka i-treatment ye-psychiatrist so kumele ngiloko ngiya ehosi so ehosi ngithola umuntu la kwena maka icale kahle yabo ngilonge yazi ke lapha imithetho siyashaya ama label lawa abuya yazi through orange yazi ama Louis Vuitton akhona lapha yonke into ikhona so ngihlala ngisemthetheni amateki yabo sebake unalichelete so abazabo sisters flop nalo unalichelete unakhona umufa buka ezinye baya exaggerate athwaka chelete ayitsanga yabo so laba bayazikhohlwa ngada and ukhumbula I'm sorry to say this ngiyawuthi ase GP and then i-Free State ngale So like ibuwa language aka different and yazi ngibayenzani ngibasha ngegrill ngibapha lento ukuthi ukhuluma lento ekumele ngizwisise mangayizwisisi anginasikhathi sakho ngila ngiyashizile mind you mina sengizophuma so ngiloko ngishanga lama internal charges wala ma phone yabona nalento obu instigator na yacisha ingaya sayitola saba grand and mangitola nayo futhi ngaba celebrity because wonke ujele bekafuna ubhotu phela ukhumbule leyasaka bekuyibhate sakhe sishaya ama EST silimaza ama prison orders sashisa ijele. You understand? So state resources da bekumele bebashilo bathi once nje bathi SAPS awuvayile vie ngathi hayi wathwana kingwana momusi bethe mina bese ngizinikele so bayichitha bathi hayi ayina lana kubonakala ama prison orders bekuyiwa wrong. So mind you me ukutola naleya sengi-celebrity ngoba khumbula kwakukhethwa amasi etiyeni kwakuyimi le lawo masi ngoba kwakuloko kusingilwa out mina kuphela bafuna i-downfall yami bonke hayi ngikhulumeke lapha eCrownstad sengiyinto enkulu vie nangilosisi ene uyonke i-treatment uye ospanisana ne-psychiatrist yangaphandle uloku uyangibuza kamona wena unwalipilise hadu uthwanelwa ngiyamngena vele nami ngithathekile lento seyikimi sengijwayele ukuthi abo sisters umlike ufike la umlika afona khona musi icase ka sister singakapheli athe mama ngikubotlo nkanje ya hawi ise corrupt drunk bese ngingenelwa labo ma 12 ebusuku sekuvulisele lala phansi vuka bafuna ifone kimi sengihlakaniphile manje sengishwa ngedotito sengishaya ngedotito and then le ama WhatsApp ngikhuluma nalabe kumele ngikhulume nabo into ezi right akusena into engiyifakayo da bangenile ngo12 sathi sithi sekulexile ngo12 ngo4 ekseni ngo5 ekseni masithi i22 bakuvula laba aba ordinary la sithi i22 iSteve eligijima thwani sangeni phakathi omnye nomunye nje bakubiza uyembedeni wakho hey bafethu hayi lo muntu athi akuphila philo boka bakala siboshwa sekucakile mbathu bala khuhlele emrawo utho sanza totola usinya drong kweni what not kube kanjalo wena putski bangithathe bangibuyiselele ihofo ngiphumelele ihofo istory sami saphakathi lieve yami zonke lezo zinto
labo sister bobasha kanjani phakathi i-opportunities veza kanjani
i-opportunity beyisimple lwana wase P3 mabeza ekseni amangami lahamba nayo uhlala phakathi mabasifolisa ekseni khumbula ijele livulwa before laba abahlala emalokishini laba bangahlali phakathi kwejele bangakafiki so kunale team yangaphakathi so ama duties njengoba ngishilo i2 ijele livulwa ngo6 maku early banokulivula na past 5 ban count ikhishi li ready da lezi maziphuma zonke phakathi eplazini usister ngoba uyi1 mela hlale eofficeini akhiye ini igate lele kuphunywe kulo so amasele akhiwa amangamla for ini for ukuthi la ejardini kube safe mabale kitchen usister uzongivulela usister ngiye eofficeini toilet fast ayikho into angaze ngilale naye ukulala yonke into bhuti ukubamba nje isite etoilet ukubamba itafula yasheshwa very fast and mind you mina for lokho nje ukuthi ngiyifakile ngiyinto enkulu ingathi ngingakhuluma noma kungekho easy ukuthi kumele uyisho ingathi noma babuya ngihleli nje mababuya phela njalo bahlala bangithola ngilokuvele kanje ngibhizi ingathi ngingabatshela ukuthi yazi ngicela ukuthola into amampela phela ukuyithola nje that day let me tell you the truth I'm telling you now it happened ukuyithola that day uyahlaphukelwa like ingathi ungaphandle uyakhohlwa uzufuna nokudla ongakakudli wamutha uhloshanka la nja uyakadlunga uhlotla lingi so usister ngoba naye bekadelela like sasihlangane sifana usister bekakhona ukuthi angena siphethe isikhaftini esishapu abuza ubani hayi awubona boat ngama exercise so iP3 remember masenizotola seniba free ngoba niyadlalela nasemadladleni wabo ngezipani kanjalo bekakhona ukuthi usister athi ampise ze boat mo akhona ukuthi ahleli namakholiki so athathwa akire bakijwala lona tsamoja mawuthi yavula lapha ngiyenzelo bekanjalo Hotman bekaba uyabo aloka bese babonile ukuthi yena uyavaya but kanti hayi next so mani ngiyenzile ngayi enjoy so mase ngise Kroonstad uyayibona lento seyikimi
so yayiphina
mangibona bo sister vele ngathi ngingashare sengikhohle ukuthi ngiyachizile ngoba seyikimi ngitholile ngizwile ngithola after iminyaka phela uyangithola so ihambe kanjalo
le in 17 years yonke le
uthi wami ihambe kanjalo ileve yami ileve yasedanyani yama outing poisoniwe ngagwazwa zayenzakala zonke lezi
asibuyele kule because asikhohlwa la sihleli khona bazongifakazela abaningi ukuthi siyamazi lo phethe ingqondo yemfena kalibali asikhuluma indaba yeolady and then that's how we wrap it up because ngifuna sivale definitely part 2 is imminent. It's evident enough ukuthi lesikhathi bese sincane over and ingwenya yazi uyakhichuma fast ngakhona lento ayikhulumile ama episode ayi2 ngoba uringa fast Mr Speaker lento ayikhulumayo ukhuluma into ayiphilayo asikhuluma indaba yeolady sivale sibabone the next time
chapter olady siri kakhulu but that one I don't want to lie every time when I relate this I break down Yeah. I-Oledi Khotmani ngilazi for about 2 hours.
Awungipha amanzi futhi.
Okay, sharp.
Yeah.
That was the chapter mangibuye Stone School.
Yeah.
And then ngatshelwa ukuthi i-Oledi lami likhona because bese ngiyifunisisa this thing.
Yeah.
Uthi like mina kade kahle ngubani.
Eish.
Then i-Oledi asiqale ngetime le Oledi.
Yeah.
Ukwazi ukuthi nethokoza mina nethokoza sihlangana kanjani ekhaya. Then mangibuye Stone School obviously ngiphume ngama details wabo umngani. Ngiphume ngama details we-family yabo umngani.
Yeah.
And then
Cela tissue courtesy please.
and then ngiphume ngama details we-family yabo umngani. And after all ama social worker mabe ngibatshela ngabo Thokoza kuphi babe bese bazamile ukuthola ugogo. I-Oledi le timer.
Yeah.
So ngafika eThokoza. But now I couldn't adjust to normal life.
Yeah.
Ugogo kwakumuntuogrand 11. I don't know nalai ugogo ikhona le life engeke ngayitaste nje kancane emnandi, but I couldn't adjust because bese ngijwayele impilo ejahile estrada ukuthi angingeni endlini ngalesikhathi angicontrolwa angitshelwa ini kumele uyenze kanjani nini bese ngile out ekuyibhoze estradeni ngiphatha isibhamu ngidla abantwana ngihamba ama tavern ngenza yonke lento. So i-timer i-Oledi le timer lafuna uniki me soul rest in peace i-Oledi lami ngatshelwa ukuthi no umama wakho ubani ukhona use Innerdale khona ngayi.
Yeah.
Ngalithola i-Oledi bhuti, and the happiness that came about that ibibhlungu kakhulu.
Thank you Lulu. Oh, ngicela ungibambela Mrs.
The happiness that came about it ibibhlungu kakhulu because mangithola i-Oledi ukhumbula into ebhlungu ngami angina identity. And scheme, this is very painful because ngiphila kanje nguclever ngiyaphapha ngilento engiyestradeni angizazi nokuthi nginawo many years. I didn't know ukuthi how old am I. Engumuntu nje uphila I guessed my age. Kuyonke into bengithi inangaka.
Shit.
Because I remember no magistrate makazobala ama previous wami beyakhona ukungibalela ukuthi I'm a serial liar. Lana ngathi ngina 17, lana ngathi ngina 14, lana ngathi ngina ngaki. So and in reality that was that. Bengazazi bengiphapha nje ngingazazi identity yami ngingazazi ngubani angazi birth certificate yami ke yabakhona kayikho IT anginayo. Ngalithola i-Oledi e-Innerdale Oledi lami mangilithola I will say this, it's my mom. And ibhlungu ngani ngangasafuni any approval from anyone ukuthi indeed i-Oledi lami or what. I longed and I belonged. I wanted to belong. I wanted somebody I can call a mom because remember I had friends that their mom can come. I knew mothers of my friends. Labo mama bebazi ukuthi le ntwana zihamba phansi mawuthiwa bese ngiwaphandisa. Masiphandile besisi izinto kabo mngani wami because I regarded abo mama babo as my mothers. So but one day I would sit alone ngikhale ngithi where's my mother? Then unfortunately ngamthola. By the time ngimthola my mom was not in good condition. Health wise la ngimthole khona bekuyigele emakhishini e-Innerdale asipanela amakhalati. I-Oledi lami she was a drunkard. Oledi lami health yakhe yayideteriorated and my mom told me that day ukuthi she's HIV positive. And then ngaphuma nge-anger. I remember ikhona ichapter engayithashanga ukuthi khona la ngaboshelwa indaba yokuthi I wanted to take out my mom from the situation engimbona akuso. Angizange ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi wangilahlelani wangilahla kanjani. I only appreciate the fact yokuthi by the time she gave birth to me she had a purpose because she never aborted me. So akasangkoloti impendulo ngibonga ukuthi wakhona ukungizala inkinga zomhlaba lezi engeke ngizingene. It's none of my business. I was a toddler enough to understand ukuthi who was wrong between yena nobaba because my father uzobeka esakhe abeke esakhe ukuthi simfavor naye makumele angitshele uzobeka esakhe kumele simfavor. Ngathi mina ngibonga nje ukuthi ungizele azange angiaborte bayaba-aborta bayabalahla mabangabafuni. So kusho ukuthi wayengifuna isimo sabo samenza ukuthi angilahle. That's what I went crazy. Mangimthola ngitshela ukuthi HIV positive. Mangimbona the way angakhona ngaphuma ngikhala because one, I wanted to know, Mama, how old am I? Ngizalwe nini? First time my mother said to me, you was born 1982, the 17th November. Then I knew ukuthi kunangaki. And then ngathi kuye, "Eish, I'm tired idempilo crime. Ngicela ungitholele i-ID ngikhona ukuthi ngizame ngibone ukuthi ngikhipha kanjani kule situation." My own mom naye wayengena ID. So also understand ukuthi this thing is a miracle. That's why I say my test is a testimony. But I ran ikhona i-audio yami ikhona lapho ngine chapter lapho because I wrote a book which I believe ukuthi one day there's lapho nalapho la uzwenza amathashinyana kancane sure. Iphelile incwadi yami
I'll help you.
edithiwe sharp yayikhona ngiyibiza ithi Beyond Your Distraction. So ngazihambele Home Affairs ikhona lapho. I remember nase Home Affairs mangifuna ulwazi and what not, there was a time eyathi mangilitshela ukuthi ngikhulele ejele ngizazi ngubani anginama birth and what, le time la ngitshela ukuthi I can't come here ngizomtshela ngokuthi ijele and what, akangeni indaba zamajele akangithumanga ebugebengwini sharp. Ngagijima but yangisurvive into enkulu yompilo. I-already lami ngilibone 2 hours put scheme ngakhala sakhalelana tears of joy and what, wangitshela ngoba bami and what, ngathi angikho lapho for lokho ngifuna ukukhipha la. I remember ngaphuma ngayicrime ngayenza irobbery ngicabanga ukuthi ngizomkhipha la ngimbhayile umkhukhunyana ngihlale naye, at least I must wake up each and every morning kumuntu engathi old lady kimi. But ithe mangiphuma because bengiyenza le robbery ngiyenza ngenhliziyo ngaboshwa. But ngize ngaphuma kuleyo azange ngenzele into eziningi ngaboshwa. It was a common robbery. Ukuboshwa kwami ngaphuma nyana kancane ngazoboshelwa lama case angizange ngisambona umamami. And then 2005 I still remember 2005 ngeyi5 zika May I remember ngibizwe eGrillini kuthiwa ngine visitor. It was during the week kungasilanga le visit yama sentenced. Mangibizwa ngahlaliswa phansi nomunye umama bathi chaplain ye correctional. Uhamba nelinye sister engizotshela ukuthi uanti wami. Ngizotshelwa that day ukuthi your mom passed away. And ngisasemusha kakhulu esigwebeni ukuthi bakangiphi opportunity to go lay her to rest for the last time. So I had to ukuthi ngiphile nalokho. And mind you me ngalesikhathi endleleni zami ze crime mangenza lezinto ngaba nengosi ingosi yami no Cherry yazi into zethu zokugijima. Ingosi yami yathathwa yayiswa eKZN 2016. Ingosi yami yayina 17 years. 2005 nge5 zika May ngitshelwa ngomama ukuthi ushonile. 2016 before ngizophuma 2016 kuza message uthi intwana yami nayo ipolisiwe eKZN ibulawe njengenja bengena time bese yenza icrime ibhema ama drugs babamba umuntu inkunzi wabanjwa umphakathi bamkapha bambulala. So that's what motivated me in all of these things. Ukuthi there's no honor amongst thieves, but life will always give you back what you give out. It's all about doing your best and God will do the rest. So this is my journey with my mom and family wise. But yeah, because uNkulunkulu mkhulu puti with everything, I relocated with families and all. I know where my ngagijima indaba ID, mind you me because of ukuhamba ikolo mangiphume eDanyani eValley ngigijima zonke ikolo ngimotivate ngicancel igangsterism and what. Khona lo baba seHome Affairs yaseValley wathola istory sami, it was touching. Wathi ngibavakashele eHome Affairs wathi ngithole nje 2-3 members yefamily and then ngabathola bazoyenza interview bavuma. Today I have an ID put. Yeah, and I did it all by myself. This is my journey put. So Puti, we have so many different experiences empilweni. And we don't happen to draft a menu yokuthi sifuna impilo zethu zibe kanjani. Sometimes we happen to become things that we never planned to be. And you always ask yourself a question ukuthi why? I'm not gonna be here and embrace a situation in such a crime, but I can tell out of crime I'm who I am. And I don't wish for the next person or umntana omunye umama ukuthi they can follow in my footprint. So this is my chapter, this is my life.
Yeah.
Sure.
This episode, by the way, ladies and gentlemen, it took us 2 years, ukuthi sihlale no Mr. Speaker. Now I understand why. It was this difficult for us to finally have a joint sitting. But here you have it, first from War Against the Wall. I hope someone will be empowered by your story. I hope lives are going to change. And now namhlanje you are vertical above the ground. I mean, you're living to tell a tale. And kumnandi umuntu bake ikhulumela kungabi second hand experience. Umuntu ubona ngathi sikhuluma or sibhali fiction. I'll help you, my brother. Asibhali incwadi esikhipha. I'm an author myself. And I know what it takes for umuntu ukuthi reduce all the fires that are burning in their lives into writing. Abanye abantu ke bayayiphupha lento amaphupha azaphelele emathuneni, but we'll make it a reality. Into engithandayo, you're optimistic, you are very positive about life, and from now going forward, I wish you nothing but the best. Ukuthi ube vulnerable and open up. Ukuthi abantu bakhona uku-empowereka. So last one, we are going to give them your social media platforms. There are people abakhona la abazothi no sayithatha, we can turn this into a movie. Siphethe platform egrowth la, this is international. So and lento mele izwakale izizwe ngezizwe emhlaba wonke kukhulunywe ngawe. Asibagaye ke your social media platforms, and we are not going to be stingy. So bagaye even number so that nibe nento ephelelayo.
Okay, but no, thank you again for the golden opportunity. Ku TikTok, I'm Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker injalo bazobona mina lapho. And my account is open. Ku X at ngivule manje ngithi lento zesilungu siloku siya adjust, you know. Yeah, so ngi X what le yakhona le. I'm at Mr. Mvelasi 16.
Okay.
At Mr. Mvelasi 16.
Okay.
Ku Facebook it's Ubongani Matembisa, that's me. My ama number umuntu ofuna ukureach him out and whatsoever, it's 064 774 7311. I can repeat it again.
Please.
064 774 7311.
There you have it, and that's how we wrap it up, Mukhayetu. Until the next episode, uNkulunkulu angigcinele nina, angenzele nina kahle. My brother, all the best and more. Keep well. uNkulunkulu akuqinise mfana kithi. Undlondlobala ukhule. Into zakho zibe kune part elahlekile life in. But the devil is here to kill, to steal and destroy.
Yeah.
So he stole your joy for the longest of time, but you are going to live and not die. uNkulunkulu anenze kahle. Keep well and stay blessed. Salute.